This season on Best Room Wins.
This is amazing!
2 interior designers will face off each week
It's a competition, so let's go kick some ass.
to serve up $1 million looks.
Whoa!
I know. Without the $1 million budget. You will have only 4 days, and we're only going to give you $25,000 to pull it off.
$25,000 isn't even my retainer.
Each designer is assigned a couple
Hi.
with a room in serious design need.
This is where we spend most of our time, actually.
Well, I like the fireplace. That's about it.
They will take inspiration from multi-million-dollar homes
Oh, I want to have sex in this room.
to transform their family spaces into a luxurious, high-end look. Does this look like more than $25,000?
100%. It looks like a fortune.
I always say 5-star look, 2-star budget.
Hold on. There we go.
Turns out we have this leak.
Doesn't that look like it's mold underneath?
You just came in, boom, 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 that's what you get. I don't want that carpet.
Where is my deer, my rhino, my something fun?
Don't freak out. This is not working anymore.
I'm just not really feeling very good about that.
This is an interior design competition like you've never seen.
You should be able to make a $200 cabinet look like a $2,000 cabinet.
You have to have taste. You can't buy it.
With real takeaway that you can use.
That piece was $600 on Craigslist. I mean, it looks like $6,000.
The winning designer will receive a featured spread in eldecor.com.
Being featured in eldecor.com, for me, it's like getting an Oscar.
At the end of 4 days, designers will be judged by myself. This is when design truly becomes magic. Whitney Robinson, editor-in-chief of Elle Decor,
The room has gone from Silence of the Lambs to A Star is Born.
and some of the biggest names in the business.
Sally Salon Wall is going to school you.
Let's face it, it matches my outfit.
I cannot believe it's in 4 days.
4 days!
This is decorating pushed to the max.
And the winner is...